Want to keep your iPhone safe for kids or avoid adult content? Here's how to block inappropriate content in iOS 18. If this helps, make sure to like and subscribe for more smart iPhone settings. Head into the Settings app and tap Screen Time. If it's your first time, select Turn on Screen Time. Then choose whether the device is for yourself or your child. Next, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and toggle it on. Then tap Content Restrictions. If under web consent, select Limit Adult Websites or choose Allowed Websites only if you want to restrict browsing even more tightly. You can also scroll through this menu to block explicit music, movies, TV shows, books and apps by setting age ratings. That's all. Your iPhone is now filtered for safer browsing and media use. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone safety tips.